Love is not just an emotion. It is a connection we learn to build.
The Rough Pastels filter gives your phonograph a soft, painterly appearance, as if it were rendered with pastel chalk on textured paper. First, the image is converted to the LAB color space, which separates lightness from color information. A gentle grain of random noise is added to the L, lightness channel, creating a slightly uneven surface. Then, the A and B channels are nudged toward pastel hues, usually by reducing saturation and shifting them toward lighter, more muted tones. A mild bilateral filter smooths edges while preserving the brushstroke feel. Finally, the image is converted back to RGB. The result is a dreamy, slightly grainy pastel artwork that maintains